Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MGM Plus on Roku. Instant guide step by step clearly. To activate MGM Plus on your Roku device, begin by turning on your Roku TV or streaming device. Ensure you are connected to your Wi-Fi network for a smooth activation process. Navigate to the Roku home screen by pressing the home button on your remote. Scroll down and select the Streaming Channels option from the menu. In the Streaming Channels section, select Search Channels. Type in MGM Plus in the search bar using your remote. Once you find the MGM Plus channel, select it from the search results. On the MGM Plus channel page, choose the Add Channel option. Wait for the channel to download and install on your Roku device. Once installation is complete, go back to the home screen. Locate the MGM Plus channel icon among your installed channels and select it. The MGM Plus app will then open, prompting you to sign in or start a free trial. If you already have an account, select the Sign In option. You will be provided with a unique activation code on your screen. Now, take note of this code for the next steps. Open a web browser on your computer or smartphone. Visit the MGM Plus activation website listed on your screen. Enter the activation code you noted earlier into the provided field. Click on the Activate button to confirm the activation. Once successful, return to your Roku device. You should now see your MGM Plus account ready for streaming. Browse through the content and enjoy your favorite shows and movies on MGM Plus. Remember to keep your Roku device updated for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.